Hello, fellow DIY enthusiasts, gardeners, and bird lovers. Are you ready to transform something ordinary into something extraordinary? Today, we're diving into a fantastic upcycling project that's both fun and incredibly rewarding. We're going to create a charming birdhouse using an old plastic soda bottle. This project is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of nature to their backyard. It's a wonderful way to reduce waste and provide a safe, cozy home for your feathered friends. Plus, it's a budget-friendly craft that's suitable for all ages. Let's gather our supplies and get started on this exciting journey. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything you need. Most of these items you probably already have around the house. You'll need one clean, empty plastic soda bottle, preferably a 2-liter size. Make sure it's thoroughly washed and dry. You'll also need a pair of sharp scissors or a craft knife for cutting. A permanent marker will be useful for marking your cuts. For the perch, a small wooden dowel, a sturdy twig, or even an old wooden spoon handle will work perfectly. Don't forget some strong string or twine for hanging your finished birdhouse. And for decoration, gather some acrylic paints, paintbrushes, and perhaps some non-toxic sealant. Safety first, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection, especially when cutting. Our first step is to prepare the plastic bottle. Begin by removing the label completely. Wash the bottle thoroughly with soap and water. Then rinse it well. It's crucial that the bottle is completely dry inside and out before you start cutting. A clean bottle ensures a healthy environment for the birds. Any residue could be harmful. Once dry, you're ready to mark out your birdhouse entrance. Now, let's create the main entrance for our bird visitors. Using your permanent marker, draw a circular or oval shape on the side of the body. This will be the opening for the birds. The size of the hole depends on the type of birds you wish to attract. For smaller birds like wrens or chickadees, a hole about 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter is ideal. Position the hole about 2/3 of the way up from the bottom of the bottle. This placement helps protect the nest from predators and weather. Carefully cut out the marked hole using your scissors or craft knife. Take your time and be precise. Smooth any rough edges to prevent injury to the birds. Every good birdhouse needs a comfortable perch. Below the entrance hole, mark 2 small dots directly opposite each other. These will be the entry points for your perch. Make sure they are slightly smaller than the diameter of your chosen dowel or twig. Carefully poke or drill a small hole at each marked spot. These holes should be just large enough for your perch to fit snugly through. Insert your wooden dowel or twig through both holes, ensuring it extends a few inches on either side of the bottle. The perch provides a landing spot for the birds. It should be secure and stable. If your perch is a bit loose, you can add a dab of non-toxic glue to secure it. Drainage is essential for a healthy birdhouse. Without it, rainwater can collect inside, making the house damp and unhealthy for birds. Turn your bottle upside down and locate the very bottom. Using a small nail or a drill bit, carefully create several small drainage holes in the base of the bottle. 3 to 5 small holes should be sufficient. These holes will allow any accumulated water to escape. Proper ventilation is also important. You can optionally add a few tiny holes near the top of the bottle for air circulation. This helps keep the interior fresh and dry. Now let's prepare your birdhouse for hanging. You'll need to create a way to suspend it securely. Near the very top of the bottle, just below the neck, make 2 small holes directly opposite each other. Thread your strong string or twine through these 2 holes. Tie the ends together securely to form a loop. This loop will be used to hang your birdhouse from a branch or hook. Ensure the knot is strong and reliable. You want your birdhouse to withstand wind and weather. Double-check that the string is long enough for your desired hanging location. This is where your creativity can truly shine. While optional, decorating your birdhouse makes it unique and attractive. Use acrylic paints to add colors, patterns, or even a welcoming message. Remember to use non-toxic paints, as birds might peck at the surface. Once your paint is dry, consider applying a non-toxic, outdoor-safe sealant. This will protect your artwork from the elements and extend the life of your birdhouse. Avoid adding glitter or small, loose embellishments that could be ingested by birds. Keep the design simple and bird-friendly. Let your imagination soar. Once your birdhouse is complete and dry, it's time to find its new home. Choose a location that offers some protection from strong winds and direct sunlight. A spot under the eaves of your house or nestled among tree branches is often ideal. Hang the birdhouse at a height that is safe from predators like cats. Generally, 5 to 10 feet off the ground is a good range. Ensure the entrance hole faces away from prevailing winds. Consider placing it near a water source, like a bird bath if you have one. Birds appreciate easy access to water. Observe your garden to find the most suitable and welcoming spot. Your new birdhouse will need occasional cleaning to keep it hygienic for its residents. After nesting season, or if you notice it's empty, gently remove any old nesting materials. You can rinse it with water and a mild, non-toxic soap solution, then let it dry completely. Regular maintenance ensures your birdhouse remains a safe and inviting home. Now, all that's left is to sit back, relax, and enjoy watching your new feathered neighbors. It's incredibly rewarding to see birds utilize a home you've crafted yourself. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed a simple plastic soda bottle into a functional and charming birdhouse. You've not only created a cozy haven for birds, but also contributed to reducing waste through upcycling. This project is a testament to how a little creativity can make a big difference. We hope you enjoyed this DIY adventure and feel inspired to tackle more upcycling projects. Happy birdwatching, and thank you for joining us on this journey.